Hello, and welcome to my demonstration video for my movie API here. So here I just have my simple repo and everything, but I'll jump over to my API docs. So this is running on my render here. So I made two gets and one post. I made a general get where I can just retrieve everything from the database, as you can see. So that's nice. And then my other get here, I can try it out by the ID. As you can see, it posts it there. So now if we head here to post, we can try this one out. So I can, fill it in here. And we can do I'm going to put it A there. And we'll just do PG, plot, and length, we'll just say 2 hours. And then here we can execute it. And then we get a response back that was inserted. And this obviously is what was inserted. But yeah, so that is my demonstration video of my movies API.